Привет, and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today I will introduce you a new letter of the Russian alphabet and 10 most frequently used words that start with that letter. And today on the menu, letter K. That's right. Are you ready? Let's go. And a little bit of a history lesson. I just did a very comprehensive lesson on Latin, the really Greek-Phoenician relationship. If you didn't watch it yet, check it out. In that lesson, I explain how Cyrillic and Latin are practically related. Russian letter K is based on a Greek letter kappa. And if you're interested in letter relationships, Russian letter K does not get along with the Russian letter U and Russian letter E. And I think those two are your favorite letters. Am I right? You can find a combination of K and U only in borrowed words or slang words. So let's check it out, a few borrowed words. Kyrgyzstan, that's a borrowed word, and slang word. Kysia and Kysh. So that's a cool phrase for you. Kysia, kysh. Kysia is a slang word for a cat, and kysh is a slang word for get out. Shoo, 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 shoo. Russians use it a lot. Kysh, 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 kysh. So it's a good one to learn. Let's look at K and E relationship. Also, you will rarely see letter K standing next to E, but in borrowed words you can notice such a combination. Usually though, you can write it both ways, with E and with Ye. For example, Kerry, Kerry, Kevin, Kevin. Alright, and let's start with our 10 most frequently used Russian words that starts with the letter K. K. I would like to also mention in Old Church Slavonic, in Old Slavic language, Russian letter K was called Kak, which means how. And of course, what a coincidence, this word is at top of the chart for the most frequently used Russian words. Kak means how. And a few examples. Как я выгляжу? How do I look? Как супермодель. And a cool phrase for you to learn. Как только, так сразу. Which translates as soon as possible. But it translates as soon as possible only if it's a complete sentence. So only if somebody explains it to you. Okay, as soon as I finish something, I will do this. For example, как только я закончу свою работу, так сразу я за тобой заеду. In this scenario, yes, the person actually does mean as soon as possible. However, if you ask somebody when and you hear как только, так сразу, that means never. Never, or most likely not very soon, or when the person gets to it. So it's kind of a sarcastic way of responding to a question to which you don't really have an answer to.
Как только, так сразу.
Second word, K or Ko. Two words. I can probably write a dissertation on when you should utilize K or Ko. If it rolls off your tongue and you can actually say K with a word, then just use K. If you feel like it will be easier to say with Ko, say Ko. Подойди к моему дому. Come towards my house. Or come to my house. Подойди ко мне. Come to me. In these two examples, it's either K or Ko. Why did we use K in the first example and Ko in the second example? Well, it's very hard for me to say к мне. Letter O is almost required. Ко мне. It's easier to say. And if you notice, мне, it starts with two consonants back to back. So usually when the letter that stands next to k starts with a few consonants in the row, then you just say ko, к дому, ко мне. Word number 3, который. Который means which or who. And который is for masculine words. And of course, we have multiple genders. I will go through the list of each gender. Который is masculine. Которая is feminine. Которое is neutral gender. And которых is plural. Let's look at a few examples in which this word translates as which or who. Человек, который принес это письмо. The man who brought this letter. Notebook, который я купил. The laptop which I bought. Word number 4. Какой. Какой means either what or what kind of. Let's look at a few examples. Какой твой любимый язык? What is your favorite language? Какой у него дом? What type of house does he have? Word number 5. Когда. Когда means when. Когда вы были в Москве? When were you in Moscow? If you notice, we just went through a bunch of question words, and yes, we have a lot of question words that start with the letter K. And this is the last one. Кто? And here's your example. Кто там? Who's there? Word number 7. Word number 7 is каждый. And каждый means every. Каждый день. Every day. Word number 8. Комната. Комната means room. Это моя комната. This is my room. Word number 9. Word number 9 is конечно. Конечно means of course. Конечно, да. Of course, yes.
Конечно, да, конечно, да, конечно, да.
Конечно, нет. Of course not.
Конечно, нет.
And word number 10. Word number 10 is книга. Книга means a book. Это моя любимая книга. This is my favorite book. So let's repeat one more time all of the wonderful words that we learned today. Word number 1. Как. 2. К. Ко. 3. Который. 4. Какой. 5. Когда. 6. Кто. 7. Каждый. 8. Комната. 9. Конечно. 10. Книга. Thank you, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока-пока! Bye!